Alright, so today I want to talk about the three major things that could happen if you are running performance max campaign on Google. Right now in my Google Ads account, I have two active campaigns. The first one is the performance max and the second one is the standard shopping campaign. So if you are running performance max campaign on Google, there are some things that you might notice, and that is exactly what I want to talk about now. The first one is you might experience more policy issues when you are running performance max campaign on Google. And the simple reason is because when you are running performance max campaign on Google, you are serving your advert across multiple networks. For example, your advert could be showing on Google Maps, on Gmail, on Google Search, on blogs, on Play Store, or even on YouTube. So because your advert can show on multiple places, it is possible for you to have issues with one or more policies across the network. Remember, some advert will work very well on Google search without any issue, but if that same advert is running on YouTube, you might experience policy issues, and that is one of the reasons why you might experience more policy issues if you are running performance max campaign on Google. As you can see in this account, the first campaign right here is having some policy issues, and you can see right here we have about 3 of them: moderately restricted, unapproved substances, improper content. By the way, if I'm running this on Google search alone, I might not experience any of the policy I'm saying right now. So that is the first thing you might experience if you are running performance max campaign on Google. The second thing you might experience is if you are running standard shopping campaign on Google and you're also running performance max campaign, the performance max campaign might shut down the performance of your standard shopping campaign if you do not specify the product you want to advertise for the performance max. For example, this particular performance max campaign I have right here is actually enabled for the sake of this video. However, at the time I set up the performance max campaign and I allow it to run with the standard shopping campaign, it shuts down the performance of the standard shopping campaign until I specify the product I want to run on the performance max and I exclude that product on the standard shopping campaign. So if you know that your standard shopping campaign is giving you some good result and you still want to go ahead and set up your performance max campaign, make sure you separate the products you want to advertise for the two campaigns. If you do not separate the product for the two campaigns, your performance max campaign might shut down the performance of your standard shopping campaign and you might start seeing very few results from your standard shopping, whereas your performance max campaign might not give you optimal result from the beginning. So you need to go ahead and separate the product for each of the campaigns so that the standard shopping campaign can run without interference from the performance max campaign. So that is the second thing that you can experience if you are running performance max campaign on Google. And the third thing I have for you is you might spend more for every conversion you are getting from your performance max campaign. This is absolutely true if you don't have sufficient conversion data in your Google Ads account. Performance max campaign is mostly operated by smart bidding. So if you are running this type of campaign, you need to have sufficient conversion data in your account so that Google can use the conversion data to optimize your campaign to give you the best result on Google. However, if you don't have enough conversion data in your account, this campaign might not be able to optimize efficiently to give you the best result. So that is the third thing you need to know if you are running performance max campaign on Google. Let me quickly recap. The first thing is that you might experience more policy issues when you are running performance max campaign on Google. The second thing is that it might shut down the performance of your standard shopping campaign. And the third thing is that you might spend more for every conversion you're getting from that performance max campaign, especially if you don't have sufficient conversion data in your Google Ads account. So these are the 3 things you might experience if you are running performance max campaign on Google. I hope you learned something in this video. If you have any question about it, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like the video. Once again, thanks for watching and bye for now.